Ladies and gentlemen, focus is the most powerful tool we have to change our lives. It is the ability to direct your attention, energy, and time towards one thing, blocking out distractions. In a world filled with endless noise, focus can be our greatest weapon. But how do we build and improve focus, especially when everything around us seems to pull our attention in 100 different directions? It starts with understanding that focus is a skill, not a natural gift. Just like any skill, it can be developed over time with practice, discipline, and self-awareness. First, we must acknowledge that distractions are a natural part of our environment. The phone, the social media, the constant notifications, all of them are designed to steal our attention. But we are the ones who give them the power. We need to reclaim that power. Start by creating a dedicated space for work or study, a space where distractions are minimized, a place where you can focus solely on the task at hand. Whether it's a quiet room or just a corner of a room, making this space sacred can help your brain associate it with productivity. Asterisk. Asterisk. Speech: how to improve your focus. We live in a world where distractions are endless. From our phones buzzing every few minutes to the noise in our environment, it seems like there's always something fighting for our attention. The first step in improving focus is understanding that we can't entirely control the distractions around us, but we can control how we respond to them. And one of the best ways to do this is by creating a physical space that encourages focus. The environment where you work or study plays a huge role in how well you can concentrate. If you are constantly surrounded by clutter, noise, or other distractions, your mind will find it harder to stay focused. You must recognize this and take steps to minimize these distractions. Start by organizing your workspace. Keep only the essentials, your computer, notebook, or whatever tools you need for the task at hand. Remove anything that could tempt you to drift away from the task, like a pile of papers, extra gadgets, or unnecessary decorations. A tidy space helps create a clear mind. The physical environment is only one part of the equation. The digital environment is just as important. It is so easy to get lost in social media or endless notifications on your phone. These distractions pull your attention away from what really matters. To combat this, put your phone on silent or even turn it off when you need to focus. Use apps or tools that block distracting websites, or set up a focus mode on your phone that limits your access to certain apps during work or study hours. By doing this, you are taking control of the distractions that are within your power to eliminate. If you're working from home, consider setting up a specific area for work that is separate from areas associated with relaxation or leisure. Having a designated space for productivity creates a mental separation between work and personal time. It tells your brain, this is where I focus and get things done. You might even want to use different lighting or a specific chair that makes you feel more focused. Small changes like these can signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Creating a distraction-free environment also involves managing noise. For some people, complete silence is necessary to concentrate, while others may prefer background noise. If you fall into the first category, try to find a quiet space or use noise-canceling headphones to block out external sounds. If you prefer some background noise, try playing soft music or ambient sounds that don't interfere with your ability to focus. The key is to find what works best for you and stick to it. In addition to minimizing distractions, it's important to set boundaries with people around you. Let your family, friends, or co-workers know when you need uninterrupted time to focus. Clear communication about your boundaries can help reduce interruptions. You might also need to train yourself to resist the urge to check your phone, social media, or email while working. Every time you give in to that impulse, you break your focus and have to spend additional time getting back on track. Finally, don't underestimate the power of lighting and comfort. Bright, harsh lights can strain your eyes and make it harder to focus for long periods. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, try using softer lights or adjustable desk lamps that you can control. Ensure your chair and desk are comfortable, as physical discomfort can distract you from focusing on your work. A comfortable environment will keep you more engaged in your task and less likely to give in to distractions. Creating a distraction-free environment is about setting yourself up for success. When you design a space that is free of unnecessary distractions, you are actively training your brain to focus. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve your focus. By minimizing distractions in both your physical and digital space, you are taking a crucial step in reclaiming your attention and mastering the art of focus. Build a daily routine to structure your time. Time management is a critical skill for anyone looking to improve their focus and productivity. Without a structured approach, it's easy to get lost in the chaos of daily life, jumping from one task to another without a clear sense of direction. A daily routine is not just about filling up your calendar with tasks. It's about creating a framework that supports your goals and helps you stay on track. By building a solid routine, you are setting yourself up for success by ensuring that your time is being used effectively and purposefully. The first step in creating a daily routine is understanding what you need to achieve. Take some time to reflect on your goals and priorities. What are the most important tasks you need to complete today? What are the long-term objectives you want to focus on? Identifying your priorities will give you clarity and help you determine which activities should take precedence in your routine. Once you have a clear sense of your goals, you can begin to plan your day around them, allocating specific time slots for each task. One of the key benefits of a daily routine is that it helps you eliminate decision fatigue. When you don't have a routine, you spend valuable mental energy deciding what to do next. This constant decision-making can drain your focus and willpower, leaving you feeling overwhelmed by the end of the day. By establishing a routine, you eliminate this need for constant decision-making. You already know what comes next, which frees up your mental energy to focus on the tasks at hand. This simplicity makes it easier to stay focused on your work without wasting time wondering what to do next. Building a routine also helps to create consistency. Our brains thrive on routine and predictability. When you perform the same tasks at the same times each day, your brain becomes conditioned to focus during those periods. For example, if you set aside the first hour of your day for focused work, your brain will start to associate that time with productivity. Over time, this consistency strengthens your ability to focus during that time and makes it easier to get started. It becomes a habit, and habits require less mental effort to maintain. One important aspect of building a daily routine is ensuring that it is realistic and achievable. It's easy to become overly ambitious and create a schedule that is too packed, leading to burnout and frustration. Instead, start small. Focus on the most important tasks and allocate realistic time slots for them. You can always adjust your routine as you go along. The goal is not to overwhelm yourself, but to build a routine that supports your productivity without adding unnecessary stress. Another critical element of a successful daily routine is flexibility. Life is unpredictable and things don't always go as planned. It's important to build some flexibility into your routine to account for unexpected events or disruptions. This doesn't mean abandoning your routine altogether, but rather making adjustments as needed. For example, if a meeting runs late or you encounter an unexpected task, it's okay to rearrange your schedule. The key is to stay focused on your overall goals and find ways to adapt when necessary. Incorporating breaks into your daily routine is also crucial for maintaining focus throughout the day. It's easy to think that pushing through without breaks will help you get more done, but in reality, working for long stretches without rest can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Research has shown that taking regular breaks helps to recharge your mind and maintain focus over longer periods. A break doesn't have to be long, just a few minutes to step away from your work and clear your mind can make a huge difference. Another important aspect of your routine is self-care. It's easy to focus so much on your tasks and responsibilities that you forget to take care of yourself. However, neglecting your physical and mental well-being will only make it harder to focus in the long run. Be sure to include time in your routine for exercise, healthy meals, and adequate sleep. These elements are crucial for maintaining the energy and clarity you need to stay focused and productive. As you begin to implement a daily routine, remember that it's a process. It may take some time to find a routine that works best for you, and that's okay. Start by establishing a few key habits, such as waking up at the same time each day, setting aside specific times for focused work, and incorporating breaks into your schedule. Over time, you will refine your routine, making adjustments based on what works and what doesn't. Consistency is the key to success, so stick with it, even if things don't always go as planned. By building a daily routine, you are setting yourself up for success by creating a structured framework that supports your goals and enhances your focus. With a clear plan for each day, you can eliminate distractions, reduce stress, and stay on track towards achieving your long-term objectives. A routine is not just a set of tasks, it is a powerful tool that helps you manage your time, energy, and focus in a way that leads to greater productivity and fulfillment. Manage mental energy and take regular breaks. In the quest for productivity, one of the most overlooked factors is mental energy. Just like our physical energy, our mental energy is finite, and once it's depleted, we can no longer focus at our highest capacity. The key to maintaining focus throughout the day is learning how to manage this precious resource effectively. This means recognizing when your mental energy is waning and taking the necessary steps to replenish it. One of the most effective ways to do this is by taking regular breaks. The idea of working continuously without breaks may seem productive, but research has shown that working for long stretches without rest actually reduces efficiency and increases mental fatigue. When we push ourselves to work for hours on end without pausing, we start to experience cognitive overload. Our brains become overwhelmed, and our ability to concentrate diminishes. This results in a decrease in the quality of our work and an increased likelihood of making mistakes. Our focus starts to waver, and tasks that would normally take a short amount of time begin to feel like monumental challenges. This is where the power of breaks comes into play. By incorporating regular breaks into your day, you can prevent mental fatigue and maintain your ability to focus for longer periods. The concept of taking breaks is not a new one, but many people underestimate its effectiveness. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method that encourages working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes is taken. This method works because it aligns with how our brains naturally function. Our attention span is limited, and we can only focus deeply on a task for so long before our concentration begins to fade. By breaking work into short intervals and taking breaks in between, we allow our brains to rest and reset, enabling us to maintain high levels of focus and productivity. In addition to structured breaks like the Pomodoro technique, it's important to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Sometimes the need for a break isn't so much about the time elapsed, but about how we're feeling mentally. If you find yourself becoming frustrated, distracted, or fatigued, it's a sign that you need to step away from your work. A short walk, a few minutes of stretching, or even a brief meditation session can work wonders in recharging your mental energy. These breaks don't have to be long or elaborate, they just need to be enough to give your mind a chance to recover. It's also important to recognize that not all breaks are created equal. The type of break you take can have a significant impact on how effectively it helps you recharge. Passive breaks, such as mindlessly scrolling through social media or watching TV, may feel like they provide a mental break, but they often do more harm than good. These activities can lead to further mental overload and distract you even more. Active breaks, on the other hand, are those that involve physical movement or mental relaxation. Taking a walk, practicing deep breathing, or even doing a short yoga routine are examples of active breaks that engage the body and mind in ways that help restore energy and focus. Another crucial aspect of managing mental energy is the importance of sleep. Our minds require sufficient rest to function properly, and without it, our cognitive abilities suffer. Sleep is not just a time for the body to recover, it's also when the brain processes and consolidates information. Without enough sleep, our mental energy reserves are depleted, and our focus is compromised. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to allow your mind to rejuvenate fully. A consistent sleep schedule is also important, as irregular sleep patterns can lead to disruptions in cognitive function and energy levels. Nutrition also plays a significant role in managing mental energy. The food we eat provides the fuel our brains need to function at their best. A balanced diet rich in nutrients, including proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, supports brain function and helps maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Foods high in sugar or caffeine may provide a temporary energy boost, but they can also lead to energy crashes that leave you feeling more drained than before. Stay hydrated as well, as dehydration can impair cognitive performance and increase feelings of fatigue. It's essential to recognize the importance of mental relaxation and downtime. In today's world, we are constantly connected and often feel pressured to be productive at all times. However, taking time to relax and disconnect from work is vital for maintaining mental health and energy. Engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying moments of quiet solitude can all help restore your mental energy. These activities allow your brain to unwind, giving it the space it needs to recharge and prepare for the next round of focused work. By managing your mental energy through regular breaks, proper sleep, healthy nutrition, and relaxation, you can maintain focus and productivity throughout the day. Recognizing the importance of rest and recovery is not a sign of weakness, but a strategy for long-term success. The more effectively you manage your mental energy, the better your ability to stay focused and perform at your highest level. Practice single tasking instead of multitasking. In today's fast-paced world, multitasking is often seen as a valuable skill. People take pride in their ability to juggle multiple tasks at once, thinking it makes them more productive. However, research has shown that multitasking can actually be detrimental to our focus and productivity. It may feel like we are getting more done, but in reality, we are just switching between tasks quickly without fully engaging in any one of them. This constant shifting can lead to mistakes, lowered quality of work, and a scattered mind. To improve focus, it's essential to embrace single tasking rather than attempting to do everything at once. When you multitask, your brain is forced to switch between tasks continuously. Each time you shift focus from one activity to another, your brain needs a moment to adjust and refocus. This not only wastes time but also depletes your mental energy. The more you switch between tasks, the harder it becomes to fully concentrate on one thing. By practicing single tasking, you allow your brain to engage fully with the task at hand, leading to better results in less time. Single tasking helps you maintain deep focus. When you focus on one thing, your brain can give its full attention to that particular task, allowing you to think critically, solve problems, and produce higher quality work. When your attention is scattered across multiple activities, it's hard to give any of them the depth of focus they need to succeed. Whether you're writing an email, working on a project, or even having a conversation, dedicating your full attention to one task allows you to be more present and effective. To start practicing single tasking, begin by recognizing when you are multitasking. It might not always be obvious, especially in today's digital age where we are constantly switching between apps, notifications, and tasks. Pay attention to moments when you are trying to do several things at once, such as checking your phone while working, responding to emails while attending a meeting, or watching a video while writing. Notice how these actions impact your concentration and the quality of your work. Once you become aware of these moments, make a conscious effort to stop multitasking. One way to transition from multitasking to single tasking is to set clear boundaries for each task. Start by dedicating specific blocks of time to focus on just one thing. If you're working on a project, commit to working on it for a set period of time without switching to anything else. During that time, turn off notifications, close other tabs on your computer, and put away your phone. Let others know that you are not to be disturbed unless it's urgent. This focused time will allow you to complete tasks more efficiently and with greater attention to detail. Another effective strategy is to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of trying to work on a large project all at once, break it into smaller sections and focus on one section at a time. This will make it easier to give your full attention to each part of the task, and you will make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. The Pomodoro technique is also a useful tool for single tasking. This method involves working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. The short work intervals help maintain focus and prevent burnout, while the breaks allow you to recharge and refocus. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The Pomodoro technique helps create a sense of urgency and encourages you to stay focused on one task at a time. It's important to remember that single tasking doesn't mean working non-stop without breaks. In fact, breaks are an essential part of maintaining focus and preventing mental fatigue. The key is to work on one task at a time, with intentional breaks to recharge your mind. The benefits of single tasking extend beyond just improved focus. When you give your full attention to one task, you will find that you feel more accomplished and satisfied with the work you've done. The quality of your output will improve, and you'll experience less stress and anxiety because you're no longer juggling multiple demands. Single tasking also allows you to engage in deeper problem solving and creative thinking. When you are not constantly distracted by other tasks, your brain can work more effectively and come up with innovative solutions. As you practice single tasking, you will start to notice that your mind becomes more focused and less easily distracted. You'll be able to concentrate for longer periods of time and experience greater mental clarity. While it may take some time to adjust, the results will be well worth the effort. By committing to single tasking, you will train your brain to focus on one thing at a time, leading to increased productivity, better quality work, and a more fulfilling experience in everything you do. Prioritize physical health, exercise, sleep, and nutrition. Our minds are powerful, but they cannot function at their best without the support of our bodies. Many people underestimate the impact that physical health has on focus, productivity, and overall well-being. In truth, exercise, sleep, and proper nutrition are essential for maintaining the mental clarity and energy needed to stay focused. These three pillars of physical health are often overlooked in the pursuit of productivity, but they are crucial to achieving lasting success in any area of life. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to enhance focus and mental clarity. Physical activity stimulates the brain and releases endorphins, which are chemicals that improve mood and reduce stress. Exercise also increases blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients that improve cognitive function. When you engage in regular physical activity, your brain becomes sharper, more alert, and more focused. Even simple exercises like walking or stretching can make a significant difference in your ability to concentrate. But exercise isn't just about getting your body moving. It's about building a habit that supports your focus throughout the day. The more active you are, the better your body is able to handle stress, anxiety, and fatigue, which can all negatively affect your ability to concentrate. Regular exercise can help you manage these challenges by releasing tension and promoting a sense of well-being. Whether you enjoy running, yoga, weightlifting, or dancing, finding a form of exercise that you enjoy is essential for making it a consistent part of your routine. In addition to exercise, sleep is another crucial component of physical health that directly impacts your ability to focus. Many people underestimate the importance of sleep, especially in today's busy world where staying up late and waking up early has become a badge of honor. However, the reality is that sleep is essential for cognitive function, memory retention, and concentration. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain becomes foggy and your ability to focus deteriorates. Lack of sleep also impairs your decision-making abilities, creativity, and problem-solving skills. The recommended amount of sleep for most adults is between 7 to 9 hours per night. However, the quality of your sleep is just as important as the quantity. A restful night of sleep helps to consolidate memories, process information, and reset your body's systems for the next day. When you prioritize sleep, your brain is able to function at its best, making it easier to stay focused, retain information, and solve problems effectively. If you're struggling to get enough sleep, try establishing a relaxing bedtime routine, limiting screen time before bed, and ensuring your sleeping environment is comfortable and free from distractions. Nutrition is the third pillar of physical health that plays a significant role in improving focus. What we eat directly affects our brain function and energy levels. A diet high in processed foods, sugary snacks, and caffeine can lead to energy crashes, mood swings, and difficulty concentrating. On the other hand, a balanced diet rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals supports brain health and cognitive function. Eating the right foods can enhance your ability to focus, boost your energy, and keep your mind sharp throughout the day. To support your focus, it's important to include brain-boosting foods in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fish, walnuts, and flax seeds are essential for brain function and memory. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, and dark chocolate help protect the brain from oxidative stress and improve cognitive performance. Additionally, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining focus. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and difficulty concentrating, so make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. A healthy diet doesn't just support your brain, it also fuels your body for sustained energy. Instead of relying on sugary snacks or caffeine to keep you going, focus on eating balanced meals that provide a steady source of energy. Include whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet to keep your blood sugar levels stable and avoid energy crashes. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can also help maintain your energy and prevent feelings of sluggishness that can interfere with focus. It's important to remember that physical health is not a one-time effort, it's a lifelong commitment. Prioritizing exercise, sleep, and nutrition as part of your daily routine will have a lasting impact on your ability to focus, think clearly, and achieve your goals. When you take care of your body, your mind will thank you with greater clarity, improved concentration, and a renewed sense of energy. By making small changes to your lifestyle, such as incorporating more movement into your day, getting enough sleep, and eating a nutritious diet, you can dramatically improve your ability to focus and perform at your best. Set clear, achievable goals to stay motivated. Setting goals is one of the most effective ways to improve focus and stay motivated. When you have a clear sense of purpose, it's easier to direct your energy and attention toward the tasks that will help you achieve that purpose. However, not all goals are created equal. To stay motivated and maintain your focus, it's important to set clear, specific, and achievable goals that can guide you towards success. The process of setting goals is not just about writing down a wish list of things you want to accomplish. It's about creating a roadmap that directs your actions and provides a sense of accomplishment as you make progress. The first step in setting effective goals is ensuring they are specific. Vague or general goals, such as "I want to be more productive" or "I want to exercise more," are unlikely to provide the motivation you need to stay focused. Specific goals, on the other hand, provide clarity and direction. For example, instead of saying "I want to exercise more," set a specific goal like "I will exercise for 30 minutes every morning before work." By defining exactly what you want to achieve, you make it easier to stay on track and measure your progress. In addition to being specific, your goals should be achievable. It's important to set goals that challenge you, but they should also be realistic. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and burnout. On the other hand, goals that are too easy may not provide enough of a challenge to keep you engaged. Striking the right balance is key. For example, if you're new to exercising, setting a goal to run a marathon within a month may be unrealistic. Instead, set a more achievable goal, such as "I will walk 3 miles every day this week," or "I will increase my running distance by 1 mile each week." By setting goals that are both challenging and attainable, you give yourself the opportunity to experience success, which will boost your motivation. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks is another crucial aspect of setting effective goals. Large, overwhelming goals can seem impossible, and they may cause you to procrastinate or lose focus. To prevent this, break your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. This allows you to focus on one task at a time, making it easier to stay engaged and track your progress. For example, if your goal is to complete a major work project, break it down into smaller tasks, such as research the topic, outline the structure, and write the introduction. By tackling one step at a time, you'll find that the overall goal feels more manageable, and you'll be able to maintain your focus as you complete each task. It's also important to make sure that your goals are time-bound. Without deadlines, it's easy to put things off indefinitely. Deadlines create a sense of urgency, which can help you stay focused and motivated. When you set a timeline for your goals, you are creating a structure that encourages consistent progress. For example, instead of saying "I want to finish reading this book," set a goal like "I will read 2 chapters every day for the next week." By committing to a specific time frame, you ensure that you stay on track and avoid procrastination. In addition to setting clear goals, it's important to track your progress along the way. Regularly checking in on your goals allows you to celebrate small wins, which can keep you motivated. It also helps you identify any obstacles or challenges that might be hindering your progress. If you find that you're struggling to stay on track, take a moment to reassess your goals and determine if any adjustments are needed. Tracking progress not only gives you a sense of accomplishment, but also helps you stay focused on the bigger picture. Another important aspect of goal setting is ensuring that your goals are aligned with your values and priorities. If your goals are not in line with what truly matters to you, it will be difficult to stay motivated in the long run. Take some time to reflect on what's most important to you, both personally and professionally. Once you have a clear understanding of your values, make sure that your goals reflect those values. When your goals are connected to your passions and core beliefs, they will feel more meaningful, and you'll be more motivated to put in the effort required to achieve them. It's essential to stay flexible and adaptable when pursuing your goals. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change unexpectedly. It's important to be open to adjusting your goals as needed. If you encounter setbacks or challenges, don't be discouraged. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Flexibility allows you to stay on course, even when things don't go as planned, and it helps you maintain focus when faced with obstacles. By setting clear, achievable goals, you are creating a roadmap for success that will guide you through your daily tasks and long-term ambitions. With specific goals, smaller steps, realistic deadlines, and regular progress tracking, you will find it easier to stay motivated and focused on what matters most. Stay patient and keep practicing consistency. In the pursuit of improving focus, one of the most important qualities you can develop is patience. We live in an age where instant results are often expected, and quick fixes seem to be the norm. Whether it's mastering a new skill, achieving a goal, or improving your focus, the desire for immediate success can be overwhelming. However, the truth is that focus, like any other skill, takes time to cultivate. It requires ongoing practice, dedication, and a great deal of patience. When we start working on improving our focus, it's easy to become frustrated if we don't see immediate results. After all, focus is a mental skill, and the mind is often easily distracted, especially in a world full of interruptions. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that if we don't see quick improvements, we are failing. This is where patience comes in. Focus cannot be built overnight. It's a gradual process that happens over time, and it requires consistent effort. Instead of focusing on immediate results, shift your attention to the progress you are making every day, no matter how small. Recognize that each effort you make to improve your focus is a step in the right direction. Even if the results are not immediately visible, consistency is key to developing focus. Like building muscle, improving your focus requires regular practice. The more you practice, the stronger your ability to concentrate will become. Consistency means sticking to the habits and routines you set, even when it feels difficult, or when you don't feel like making the effort. It's about showing up each day, putting in the work, and trusting that over time, your brain will adapt and your focus will improve. The more consistent you are in practicing focus, whether through structured work periods, breaks, or reducing distractions, the more it will become ingrained in your daily life. One of the challenges of staying consistent is the temptation to take shortcuts or look for faster ways to achieve results. It's natural to want to find the quickest path to success, but when it comes to focus, there are no shortcuts. If you're constantly seeking the fastest way to improve your focus, you're more likely to become frustrated or overwhelmed when things don't work as expected. Instead of looking for shortcuts, focus on building a solid foundation by sticking to the process. Commit to taking consistent action, even if it feels slow. Trust in the process, and recognize that each day of practice brings you closer to your goal. Another important aspect of staying patient and consistent is acknowledging that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. No one improves their focus without encountering obstacles along the way. There will be days when you feel distracted or when it feels impossible to concentrate. These setbacks are not failures, they are simply part of the process. Instead of letting setbacks discourage you, use them as learning opportunities. Reflect on what caused the distraction and what you can do differently next time. Patience means allowing yourself to make mistakes and understanding that each setback is just a part of growing and improving. As you continue to practice, remember that improvement often happens in small increments. Sometimes the progress we make is so gradual that we don't notice it right away. But if we look back over a longer period of time, we can often see how much we've grown. For example, you may not notice how much your focus has improved from one day to the next, but if you look back over a month or two, you'll see that you can concentrate for longer periods, or that you are more efficient in your work. These small incremental improvements are a testament to the power of consistency and patience. It's also important to remember that focus is not a destination. It's a lifelong practice. Even the most focused individuals experience moments of distraction. The goal is not to reach a point where you are always focused, but to develop the tools and habits that allow you to refocus quickly when your attention drifts. The more patient and consistent you are, the easier it becomes to recognize when you've lost focus and to redirect your attention back to the task at hand. Staying patient and consistent requires a mindset shift. Instead of focusing solely on the end goal, learn to appreciate the process. Celebrate the small victories and recognize the progress you're making, even if it doesn't feel like you've achieved everything you want just yet. The key is to maintain a long-term perspective and trust that, with continued effort, your focus will improve over time. Ultimately, patience and consistency are the cornerstones of any lasting change. Improving your focus is not a sprint, it's a marathon. By committing to daily practice, being patient with yourself, and staying consistent, you will see the results of your efforts unfold gradually. Keep going, even when it feels difficult, and trust that every small step is bringing you closer to your goal. Focus is not something you achieve overnight, but with perseverance, it will become an integral part of your life.